And today we're making slime! Remember to like and subscribe! Let's get started! First you'll need a container, glue, baking soda, eye contact solution, and food coloring, but food coloring is optional. First you'll need 12 ounces of glue. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Then you'll need 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. Water. Please have your parents supervising you while you're making the slime.
No, mix it. Ew.
I think we're done mixing this now. Then we'll need some food coloring. The food coloring is optional.
Yeah. I want mine.
I'm gonna put that right there. Start to mix, Mia. Wow. Oh, that's really pretty.
That's it.
I added purple food coloring.
And don't mix it mine.
It's so pretty.
I don't. You're mixing. You're mixing mine, please. Let's share together. It's turned to purple.
It's really pretty.
Yeah, the pink one I can.
It looks really pretty. When we first added the food coloring, it looked like a galaxy. Mix it till you have the color you want. Now we will add 3 tablespoons of eye contact solution. Ooh, it's starting to turn into slime. Right when you add the eye contact solution, it starts to turn into slime. It's clumping together.
Oh,
Wow.
oh. I see a bubble.
You're just mix it until the slime starts to form. Oh, it's starting to come off the spoon a little bit.
It's so soft and pink.
It's pink? It looks purple.
Oh,
That's purple. It's purple.
I see. Mine's is not coming out. It's so big. Ah. Oh, don't get a lot. It just makes me
I'm
bad.
mixing it.
It turns. Try to get mine.
We're almost done mixing.
It's starting to.
Wait. It's starting to clean its own bowl. Oh, wow. Now we're going to take it out and knead it. Oh,
So slimy.
very slimy. Let's take it out on the table.
It's so wet.
It's very wet.
It's still sticky.
Oh my gosh.
Get in my hand. Ew.
It's starting to get
It's not getting off on my hands. Yeah. Ew, get off.
This is really pretty.
This is so. Yeah.
We're gonna finish kneading and I'll see you at the end of the video.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, we're back now and the slime is ready. And this is how it looks like.
Look, guys.
It's really purple.
Yeah, it's purple. I love the
Light
purple
purple.
one. It's so pretty. I never had this slime before. So slimy. I love watching slime videos.
Okay guys, that's it for today. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!